everybody. I am Parthavi Padi, lecturer in electrical engineering from Government Polytechnic Nayagarh, and here I am in this video lecture going to share the topic Nyquist plot from the subject control system, which is the fourth elective subject in the electrical engineering branch in 6th semester. So let's go to the topic. What is Nyquist plot? So Nyquist plot, you have already studied what is polar plot, and polar plot we draw by taking omega from 0 to infinity, and Nyquist plot is just the continuation of that polar plot when we take omega from minus infinity to infinity. That we will discuss in later on, but first you just understand that this is one of the stability study. When you have already studied Rauthervis and Root-Locus, Bode plots, etc. So this is also a frequency analysis technique to study the stability of a system. So let's see how it goes. So before going deep into the Nyquist stability criterion, let us first understand some of the basic concepts like what is mapping, then what is a contour and what is contour mapping, then what is principle of arguments. The principle of argument is very important because the Nyquist stability criterion is based on this. And what is the relationship between the characteristic equation poles and zeros with the open loop poles and open loop closed loop poles. So let's start with the what is mapping. So mapping mane ame kon buchhiba. Mapping mane when we have a point in a complex plane and we want to represent that point in some another plane by taking a function. For example, let's see, suppose we have a point S1 or S in the complex plane, that is 2 plus J4, and it is already marked. देखि पारछो एटी 2 S point mark हेची 2 and imaginary रे 4 points 2 plus J4, and when we want to put this point in some another function that is defined by fs is equal to s square plus 1, then we can have the result s jagare ame s jagare एटी ame 2 plus J4 put करिवा, then 2 plus J4 square plus 1, that will equal to minus 11 plus J16, and then that when we draw again in the fs plane it will be seen like this. So this is called the mapping. This is the technique of mapping. So mapping technique को नेकना हमें आगो को पढ़िवा with what is contour and then mapping of contours. So contour माने गुटे कौन? Contour माने is collection of points. So suppose collection of points that make a closed path. गोटे closed path तैयारी होची बा गोटे total गोटे boundary create होची सेटा को हमें contour कहवा. तो contour गोटे कंटूर जेतले गोटे कलेक्शन ऑफ पॉइंट्स होची, तो जेमती आमे मैपिंग करले गोटे पॉइंट रो इन अनदर प्लेन, सेमती आमे गोटे पूरा गोटे कंटूर को तार सब पॉइंट्स को जदि आमे सेमती गोटे प्लेन रे मैपिंग करबा, देन दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज मैपिंग ऑफ कंटूर. सो लेट अस टेक a function fs which consists of some zeros s minus z1, s minus z2 and so on, and then it contains some poles s minus p1, s minus p2 and so on. So ame a function sahajare a contour a को, suppose this is contour a in s plane, ame a s plane ro a contour to को agote plane जोटा कि fs plane with this function ame represent करियो. तो जेमते ame mapping रे गोटे point मैपिंग करले सेमती आमे प्रत्येकटा पॉइंट को जदि ए फंक्शन रे पुट कर दबा, देन वी विल गेट अनदर कंटूर इन एफएस प्लेन, दैट विल बी आवर कंटूर बी. तो ए डेटा को नहीं कि ना कंटूर ए इन एस प्लेन एंड कंटूर बी इन एफएस प्लेन, वी कैन हैव सम मोर एग्जांपल्स. सी देखो एठी गोटे एस प्लेन रे आमे गोटे कंटूर नहीं छे, कंटूर ए, it shows clockwise direction, and then we have this function fs is equal to s minus z1 where z1 is a 0, and of course the sign ru tame jani parcho that z1 is a right half plane the location jehetu s minus z1 achi, then s is equal to z1 he jibo like s minus z1 जदि गोटे पोल अच्छी सॉरी 0 अच्छी देन s is equal to z1 हो दैट मीन इट प्रेजेंट्स इन द राइट हाफ प्लेन सो z1 को हमें राइट हाफ प्लेन रे शो कर दीजिए and this b is the vector from z1 to any point on this contour and we now try to map the contour a in the fs plane with this function fs equal to s minus z1. Okay, this is the mapping of contour a in fs plane. So this r is the vector from origin to any point in contour b. So r vector and v vector are directly related as r is equal to v. इटा है टोटली कॉम्प्लेक्स एनालिसिस रो थ्योरी बा कॉम्प्लेक्स एनालिसिस रो कांसेप्ट सो r vector is directly related to vector v. Next see that the contour a in the s plane and we have a function fs is equal to 1 by s minus p1 that means it consists of a pole in the right half plane so it is shown here in the right side p1 but p1 is also not enclosed in contour a and there is a vector v from p1 to any point in contour a and we try to map this contour in contour b. So we have this contour b where r is the vector from origin to any point on this contour and r vector and b vector are related as r is equal to 1 by b. Okay, next देखो ए फिगर रे आमे सेम कंटूर गोटे नीचे कंटूर इज ए आर्बिट्रेरी थिंग यू कैन टेक इट एनीवेयर. तो फर्स्ट एग्जांपल रे आमे लाइक देखो फर्स्ट एग्जांपल रे द कंटूर डज नॉट एनक्लोज एनी जीरो. ए एग्जांपल रे 0 z1 is not enclosed inside the contour A but in this next figure I mean say same function s minus z1 but now z1 is enclosed within the contour A. Contour A भितरे हमें z1 को नोचे say same z1 b is the vector from z1 to any point on the contour and then we point all the points in contour A and map it accordingly then we get the contour B in fs plane and r is the vector from origin to any point on the contour B as previously. So r is related to vector B directly and then just mark that this contour B is encircling the origin which was not previously. Just mark it when contour A भितरे हमर z1 point 0 point किछि नथिला then contour B भी किछि origin को भितरे रखि नथिला. So when we have that z1 inside the contour A we have the origin encircled by contour B. This is the most important concept you have to understand for the technique of Nyquist stability criterion. Let's go on. Then again we will take the function fs is equal to 1 by s minus p1 then we will take this point p1 pole in right half plane and we take this contour A and this time also we are taking the pole inside the contour A and accordingly when we do the mapping of contour we get the contour B and r is the vector from the origin to any point on contour B and r vector and b vector are related inversely. Then let's see जेतोळे एठी p1 pole contour भितर अछि then contour B is also encircling the origin and now this time the contour A is clockwise but contour B is anti-clockwise. Okay, this when z1 0 जेतोळे contour A भितर थिला तो contour A जो direction रे move करतला contour B भी से direction रे move करिवो that means if it is clockwise then it is also clockwise. But when there is a pole function contour A is clockwise when it encloses the pole contour B encircles the origin but it has a anti-clockwise direction. Let's see again when it has both zeros and poles. So this is a function we have s minus z1 by s minus p1 that means a function रे हम पाखरे गोटे zero अछि and गोटे pole अछि. So let's show this in the right half side. Then z1 p1 v1 is the vector from z1 to any point on counter A, and v2 is the vector from p1 to any point on counter A. We do the counter mapping, we get that there is no encirclement of the origin. Like previously gote 0 thila inside the counter A, we had an encirclement of the origin. Like in the second figure, when we had one pole inside the counter A, we had the encirclement in the counter B. But this time when we have 1 0 and 1 pole, there is no encirclement. Okay, and r vector is related to v1 for this z1, and by v2 for this p1 pole. So what we have verified here is that suppose we have a counter A in S plane, counter A भितरे जदि हमर गोटे 0 रहिबो, then counter B ताहले origin को encircle करिवो with the same direction as counter A, say clockwise. If counter A is clockwise, then counter B is also clockwise. If counter A भितरे गोटे pole रहिबो, then हमर counter B भी encircle करिवो हमर origin को, but it would be anti-clockwise. So this is the only fundamental which is going to be clear in this principle of argument. So principle of argument establishes the relation between enclosure of poles and zeros by the contour in S plane, that is the contour A, and encirclement of origin by the contour in FS plane, that is the contour B. जेमती कि contour A भितरे जदि किछि जीरो बा पोल रहिला आउ सेथिपाई जदि काउंटर बी गोटे ओरिजिन को जदि एनसर्कलिंग करूची जदि भितरे रखुची ताले सेही भितरे जदि किछि रिलेशनशिप अछि, देन दैट इज डिस्कस्ड बाय दिस, दैट इज गिवन बाय दिस प्रिंसिपल ऑफ आर्गुमेंट. Okay, so it states that if there are p poles, माने p माने गोटे नंबर, p number of poles and z zeros, that means z number of zeros enclosed by the S plane counter, that means counter A, then the corresponding FS plane must encircle the origin, that means the counter B will encircle the origin z minus p times or n times clockwise. Z minus p को हमें n बोली किना कहूचे, माने number of times in clockwise directions. That means जदि let's conclude it. If n is greater than 0, that means z जदि p टू अधिका होता है, माने number of zeros जदि number of poles रु अधिका होता है, ता माने contour A भितरे जदि number of zeros enclosed जोटा हेची, that is greater than the number of poles enclosed inside the contour A, then obviously n is a positive integer, and जदि n positive हुए, then contour A रो जहाँ direction थिवो contour B रो से direction रहिबो. Like contour A जदि clockwise थिवो, then contour B भी clockwise रहिबो. बा जदि contour A जदि counter clockwise बा anti clockwise थिवो, then contour B भी anti clockwise. Again, when z is less than p, that means number of zeros enclosed by contour A, if it is less than the number of poles enclosed by contour A, then obviously n is negative number. Then contour B in FS plane will encircle the origin in the opposite direction. बहुत सिंपल सा कथा एटा. जदि n जदि हमर पॉजिटिव हुए, then similar direction रहबो काउंटर A काउंटर B रो. जदि n जदि गोटे नेगेटिव इंटीजर हेताय ताहले क्लॉकवाइज ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शंस रहबो. काउंटर A रो जहा डायरेक्शन थिबो एनक्लोजमेंट रो, काउंटर B रो ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन रहबो. And if n is equal to 0, that means the enclosement of zeros and poles is similar by equal, then n is equal to 0 and there will be no encircling of the origin, and say case re contour B ro kono se direction ho, that doesn't matter. Okay, so this is the main 3 points of principle of arguments. आमे जेमती कि देखिले जो वेक्टर r vector was related to v vector, से भलिया so vector is making a 360 degree rotation, so the above all the results can be written as argument of fs is equal to z minus p, which is n into 2 pi. 2 pi is for 360-degree rotation of that vector. So it is 2 pi n, and this, because of this pi which states the angle, this implies the, but this justifies the principle of argument. तो ये प्रिंसिपल ऑफ आर्ग्यूमेंट उपरे निक्विस्ट रो स्टेबिलिटी इज बहुत बेस करे. तो प्रिंसिपल ऑफ आर्ग्यूमेंट रो ही निक्विस्ट स्टेबिलिटी क्राइटेरियन डिराइव होची. सो लेट्स understand what is Nyquist stability criterion, but before that we have to study the system. जेमेदी तमे रूट लोकस पढ़िच, राउथरविस पढ़िच, ओपन लूप सिस्टम को नहीं कि ना आमे क्लोज लूप सिस्टम रो सब वाले ट्रांसफर फंक्शन स्टडी करथो, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन स्टडी करथो, देन आमे स्टेबिलिटी को डिफाइन करथो. एक्जेक्टली वी विल इन दिस आल्सो we will take the open loop system and then we will study the stability of the closed loop system. So closed loop system ro dekho figure, obviously GS forward transfer gain, HS feedback, and then this open loop transfer function we have GS is equal to mg by numerators, then by denominators, and HS is equal to numerators by denominators. Then our transfer function for closed loop, that is CS by RS, will be GS by 1 plus GS HS. So GS मोइटा देखो केमती करूची. Suppose GS is N by D and HS is equal to some NH by DH. Then open loop transfer function, obviously GS HS, that is equal to NG NH by DG DH. But closed loop transfer function CS by RS is equal to, transfer function is equal to that GS by 1 plus GS HS. When we put GS जगह जितने हमें NG और DG पुट करिवा, then एटी HS जगह भी हमें NH by DH पुट करिवा. देखिवा कौन होची GS से एबे एटा को हमें सिंप्लीफाई करि परिबा. DGDH 1 संगरे मल्टीप्लाई हे जबो DG देखो. सो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन जोटा कि 1 plus GSHS that has DGDH plus NGNH by DGDH is equal to 0. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन को हमें सब बड़े 0 रे इक्वेट करता. देन यार जो न्यूमरेटर टा असला, that numerator has जो न्यूमरेटर टा असला, that is always the zeros of one characteristic equation. और ये जो denominator टा असला DGDH are the poles of this characteristic equation. तो जितने हमें सेकंड गोटे क्लोज लूप सिस्टम रो स्टेबिलिटी स्टडी करता हो, दिस कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन इज ऑफ मच इम्पोर्टेंस, whose numerators which are the zeros and whose denominators which are the poles are of much importance. तो तमें देखी पारिबो एठी जो 1 plus GSHS कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन रो जो डिनोमिनेटर टा DGDH DC, that means the poles of this characteristic equation are the same as the open loop closed poles. तो open loop closed transfer function GSHS रो poles DGDH जहाँ अच्छी characteristic equation रो denominator बा poles भी सेया ही अच्छी. तो यही जो स्टेटमेंट लिखा है, the poles of characteristic equation 1 plus GSHS are the same as the poles of GSHS. That is the open loop system that are known, because we have been given the open loop system, and that is why we have the known poles of open loop system, which are the poles of characteristic equation, and the zeros of this characteristic equation are of much importance because those are the poles of closed loop system. दैट मीन्स जो क्लोज्ड लूप सिस्टम रो जो पोल्स अच्छी ये DG/DH प्लस NG/NH एटा है क्लोज लूप जो ट्रांसफर फंक्शन तार जोटा पोल्स बाहर थिला DG/DH प्लस NG/NH तो सेटा इज सिमिलर टू कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन रो जीरोस। तो सब निक्विस्ट स्टेबिलिटी क्राइटेरियन रे आमको ए दुटा जिनस बहुत इंपोर्टेंटली बुझिबार अछि। व्हाट आर द relation between the zeros and poles of characteristic equation with a open loop system and a closed loop system. I summarize that number of closed loop poles is equal to Z, that means zeros of characteristic equation, and the number of open loop poles is equal to P, that means poles of characteristic equations. Next, the counter which we were studying in the principle of arguments, that is any counter we were taking जेतोळे आमे कोनोसी गोटे काउंटर नोतले राइट साइड रे राइट हाफ प्लेन रे, that was because we are always interested to know how much pole and how much zeros are there in the right side of the S plane, because that only determines the stability. कहीं ना हम पाखरे जदि लेफ्ट साइड रे जदि किछि zeros बा poles थाए, then we do not bother about it because they do not decide the stability. The only thing which decides the stability are the right hand side poles and zeros. So to Nyquist stability criterion अनुसार आमे total right half of this S plane we take this as a contour that varies from this j omega is equal to 0 to j omega infinity, and it makes the whole radius of infinity and come back to minus infinity and then come back to j omega is equal to 0. That means it covers the entire right hand half plane of the S plane, and this contour A is known as the Nyquist contour. Next, तो जेतेबेले आमे contour A पाई गले, then we will map that contour in contour B. So how contour B करबा पे हम गोटे फंक्शन दरकार obviously. तो फंक्शन टा हैला हमर open loop system, तो GSHS. तो when f is equal to 0, that open loop transfer function GSHS is equal to 0, that is a plot about the origin. That means जेतोळे आमे प्रिंसिपल ऑफ आर्गुमेंट्स पढुथले सेतोळे आमे सबले ओरिजिन उपरे फोकस करथले, काईना हम पाखरे हम पाखरे केवल एनसर्कलमेंट ऑफ ओरिजिन थिला एंड दिस ट्रांसफर फंक्शन थिला. बट to study the stability of closed loop system we focus on this characteristic equation. तो fs हे जब हमर 1 plus GSHS, तो 1 plus GSHS रो जो हमर contour hobo, that is nothing but GSHS contour, but the origin shifted to -1 to the right. So Nyquist contour Nyquist contour हैला मो समराइज करछि जोटा कि राइट हैंड हाफ प्लेन रो contour, and accordingly हमें जो contour टा बनेबा that is the Nyquist plot. So I Nyquist stability criterion वेट तुमको बुझे दोछि जो Nyquist जेमति कि हमर थिला principle of argument, that is similar to this Nyquist stability criterion, जो थ्री कि जदि हमारा contour A किछि भी poles बा zeros enclose करछि, then the number of encirclement of the -1 that is given by Z is equal to P minus N. That means जदि हमारा contour A रे किछि number of zeros थाए and poles थाए, then N हबो हमारा counterclockwise revolutions around -1. So these are the assignment questions related to this topic. You can take all this, and for any queries you can contact me on the WhatsApp number 9439134639. Thank you.
झीटीए तो माटी आम सामाजिक और पारिवारिक जीवनर मूल कथाटी से माने आगकू गले आगकू जीव संसार आम झील मैंने आ पुओंकठू पछरे नाहांती एबे तो बदली गलानी समय बदली गलानी जुग से झील माननकू आहुरी आगकू नहीं आत्मनिर्भरशील और स्वावलंबी करने ओडिशा सरकार सुदक्षा योजना रे सरकारी ITI माध्यम संपूर्ण मागणार जोगई देउछंती सबु प्रकार उत्कृष्ट मानर वैषयिक ज्ञान कौशलर तालीम एबे आम झियो रहिबे सबुठु आगरे सबुठु उपरे
मु सफल मु कुशली मु सुदक्षा